Essential oils and their role in health, in biology, in everyday life. Let me start by saying this is a very large and elegantly complex subject, which I'm going to hopefully guide you in the right direction. You always want a cold-pressed whole oil. You never want an oil that's diluted with some other oil. You might want to get a room diffuser, which would help bring the essential oil into the atmosphere that you're breathing. Peppermint, lavender, rosemary. These are essential oils that are aromatic. They are volatile. They come into the air. When I'm in a salt and soda bath, when I'm in a baking soda and Epsom salts bath with a half a cup each of them, I very often put in about a half a teaspoon or 5 drops of my favorite essential oil of the moment, and I enjoy the aroma. It turns out your nose is a very important part of your brain and is very discriminatory. It's very important that you keep your nose happy. And one of the things that makes the nose happy is to get these essential oils from time to time, a variety of them, different ones on different days for different reasons and moods. So I would see these as adjunctive. I would see these as helpful. They do not replace an epigenetic lifestyle program, hopefully based on 4 self-assessments and 8 predictive biomarkers interpreted to their best outcome goal value for you as an individual. In that context, essential oils make sense. I know that there are some people who try to use essential oils instead of supplements. They are not equivalent. You need both. You definitely need the supplements because the 21st century is a hazardous time. And I think life is better if you use essential oils in the ways I've suggested. So it could be very complex because there are many, many, many different essential oils that have different qualities to them. And if you're interested, study with people like David Winston, or study with people who know a lot about the cross-cultural meaning of essential oils. That could be an avocation. That could be a very interesting hobby to have if you want it. But make sure it's built upon nature's alkaline way and nature's pharmacy and a lifestyle of health promotion and epigenetic well-being.